Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create a volume bundle on your Shopify store. Volume bundles are a great way to increase your average order value by encouraging customers to purchase multiple quantities of a product or related products at a discounted price. To get started, install the app and open its dashboard. From the dashboard, click Create Plan and then select Volume Bundle, which is available as the second last plan option. First, enter a bundle name. You can use any name you prefer. Next, select the product on which you want to apply the volume bundle offer, and select it. Once the product has been selected, move to the Offer Type section. Here, you'll choose the type of volume bundle offer you want to create based on your sales strategy. In the Offer Type section, you'll find two available options: quantity packages and product variant quantity packages. The quantity packages option is designed to encourage customers to purchase more units by unlocking higher discounts as they increase the quantity they buy. This type of offer is highly effective for increasing order value and motivating customers to purchase in larger quantities. The second option is product variant quantity packages. This option is specifically designed for products that have multiple variants, such as different sizes, colors, or styles. With this setup, you can assign separate discounts to each variant and create customized bundle offers based on the selected product variant. Choose the option that best fits your product and promotion strategy before continuing with the bundle configuration. Below the product selection section, you'll find the quantity packages configuration. Here, you can create multiple buy more, save more tiers to encourage customers to purchase larger quantities. Configure the quantity tiers according to your promotion strategy. Next, open the Customize Appearance section to design your widget. The app provides multiple customization options, allowing you to modify the widget's layout, text, labels, and overall appearance. Choose the settings and template that best match your store's branding. Once you're satisfied with the design, save your changes. Now, navigate to Theme Customization. Within your product template, locate the Volume Bundle widget block. Move the widget higher on the page so it appears in a more visible position for customers. This helps improve visibility and can increase conversion rates. After adjusting the widget placement, visit your storefront and open the product where the Volume Bundle offer has been applied. Here is the live Volume Bundle widget. Since we selected the Quantity Packages offer type, the widget displays multiple package options with different quantities and discounts. In this example, Package 1, Package 2, and Package 3 are available for customers to choose from. This type of offer is highly effective for increasing average order value and encouraging customers to purchase larger quantities in exchange for better savings. Now, let's look at the second offer type. Return to the bundle setup and change the offer type from quantity packages to product variant quantity packages. This option allows you to create bundle offers based on product variants, with each variant having its own discount and pricing structure. Save the changes and return to the storefront. Refresh the product page to view the updated widget. The Volume Bundle widget is now displayed using the product variant quantity packages configuration. In this particular example, the product only has a single variant, which is why only one variant option is visible. If your product contains multiple variants, such as different sizes, colors, or styles, each variant can be displayed with its own bundle offer and discount structure. If you scroll down further, you'll find the Packages section. This is where you can fully customize each bundle package. For every package, you can configure the quantity, title, description, and other display elements. You can also add badges such as Most Popular, Best Value, or any custom label to highlight specific offers and attract customer attention. For each package, you can configure separate discounts for one-time purchase, subscribe and save. Set the discount values according to your promotion strategy and business goals. You can customize all three packages independently based on your requirements. Additionally, package images are optional. If you'd like to display an image alongside a package, you can add an image URL and assign it to the package for a more visually appealing presentation. If you need more package options, simply click Add Package to create additional bundle tiers. Next, scroll down to the Subscribe and Save Benefits section. Here you can add subscription benefits that will be displayed to customers when they select a subscription option. These benefits can include perks such as discounted pricing, priority access, free shipping, or any other value you want to communicate. The app also supports dynamic display options, allowing benefits to appear with a check mark when enabled and a cross when disabled. These benefits will be displayed within the Subscribe and Save panel of the Live widget, helping customers understand the advantages of subscribing. Moving further down, you can optionally configure additional elements such as tooltips, promotional messages, or free gift values to make your offer even more compelling. Next, locate the subscription frequency section. Click Edit Frequency to customize the subscription settings. Here, you can configure frequency name, description, billing method, order. Frequency. For the billing method, you can choose options such as pay as you go. You can also define how often recurring orders will be generated, such as weekly, monthly, or any custom interval that fits your business model. Adjust these settings according to your store's requirements and subscription strategy. Once everything has been configured, click Save Bundle. Your volume bundle plan is now successfully created and ready to be displayed on your Shopify store. And that completes our volume bundle setup tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. For more Shopify tutorials, setup guides, and helpful resources, be sure to visit our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.